Hi guys, this is Dr. Kalima here and Dr. Hanju. We're going to demonstrate you hip flexion training the iliacus and the iliopsoas. It's a muscle that's very frequently weak, and a lot of people say, oh, my psoas is tight, my hip flexors are tight. Guess what? Your hip flexors feel tight, but they're not tight, they're usually weak. They happen to be tight in some people, but more often we find weak hip flexors. This is especially true with guys with hip impingements. So I strongly recommend progression of these exercises. What we use for this, we use wear bands, so it's a system as a belt, and like socks that you can attach rubber bands that come with this. And then we use two here, so they come around the knee and we pull one around so it's fixated. So it gives you, it actually is not giving you the resistance of the flexion, but it's actually giving you assistance. And psoas exercises have to be started around 90 degrees. So she's going to help herself with stabilizing the core. Here, and we're going to put a little weight on her foot, and then we start the position here. You can start under some kind of bench, and the idea is to control this, and it's not a pure flexion, it's kind of a flexion with a little bit of rocking. So that's what we want. We want to make sure she's aligned and she's doing this. So let's start. Come up on the knee, and we start here. You should avoid, if you have hip impingement, you should avoid the impingement and do a little bit of external rotation. So from 90 to 100 something, 110, 120 with a little external rotation with a slight dorsiflexion. Right. And she's really aligned, she isn't abdominal pressure, and she's doing flexion. And tell us, did the bands help you, or they resist you?
When I'm raising my knees, they're supporting my hip flexion.
Right. So the bands are actually not the resistance here, but they're flexion. This is resistant to the hamstring, so this is also giving you the support. And the weight is a little bit weight for the activation. So this is the exercise, and you can progress it to different positions. Thank you very much, and have a good day.